Hey you guys, I'm back with another video. Today I just got off of work. I went outside and I swept my patio out and cleaned around that area to try to set up for the holiday. And I washed my hands and I'm done with work for 3 days. Thumbs up. So what I'm about to do is make me some tuna fish. Now this is a tuna fish that has like chili peppers in here and oil. I ordered this chunky, smell really good. Okay, so this is what we're gonna have today: tuna fish. Okay, so here's my Hillman's here. This is my favorite mayonnaise. It's only a little in here, so let's get started, you guys. Oh, just gotta squirt it out everywhere. No more here. And y'all know who in here because it's tuna fish. Y'all know who on deck. Okay, so I'm gonna open this jar if I can. Oh, okay. So that should be enough mayonnaise. What do you want, Binker? And you gotta make sure, because it's real, got chunks in there, so you gotta make sure and get all the chunks out. I was gonna stop and get some Chinese food, and I said, and I thought about this, get this food I got at home. Okay. And just a little French's mayonnaise. This was hard to open. Is it open? Nope. So how's your day going? Mine's just going well. Next week you guys supposed to be like in the 90s. Sure do. Okay, last work day for me is June 13th. Okay, just a little mayo. Okay, and I like to add sweet relish with mine. Give it a stir while I go get my eggs. I boiled my eggs this morning before I went to work. Big. Hold on, you guys. Okay. And here's the bread I'm going to use. I don't know if you can see that. It's brown berry whole wheat bread. Let's sit down. I'm gonna let my tuna fish get cool. Probably let it stay in the fridge for an hour. And before I eat. Okay, guys. That's my egg off. And I like to add a little black pepper. But I don't know, because this is a spicy, like tuna fish. So I might not add black pepper this time. Might be a little bit too overwhelming. Okay, I'm going to give it a stir. I need a little more mayo. Let me try it. That's a little bit more mayo, you guys. You got here thinking there, boy, I tell you. It's not that spicy, but it has a kick into it. So I think I will add black pepper. Some ruffles with it and drink the rest of my lemonade. I have my cup over here of ice, and here is the finished product. You guys probably cannot see it. Let me see, can I move? There we go. Okay, so it's my tuna fish, and I thank you guys for watching, and I will be back later with another video. I'm gonna let this sit in the fridge for 1 hour. Bye bye for now.